In this video, I will show you how to create a new email address in Gmail. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is ensure that you have a stable internet connection, basically, and you go to gmail.com. So, Gmail. Now, here we're going to click on create an account at the top here. It's going to ask you if it's for personal use or for work. We're going to click for personal use. Here you're going to input your name, and the last name is optional, but you're going to input it all the same. You're going to input your date of birth and your gender. You're going to input the username that you want to use. And you're going to put in a password that you want to use to open up the email. Now here it's going to ask you for a phone number. You're going to input a phone number, and once you're done inputting the phone number, it's going to create the email address for you. Now that's how you create a new email address in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.